Hello, um, good afternoon. My name is Prashant and I am taking science and mathematics. Now, so far we discussed the 5 mains in exercise 1.3. Today I am going to deal with the 6th main, that is a verbal problem. I have already wrote this problem on the board. I will read the question once again. 6th question it is exercise 1.3, chapter number 1, integers. Now let me read this question. A certain freezing process means what? It may be anything. You can imagine a fridge also, or some materials need to be freezed, or to store them we need to maintain a certain temperature. Therefore we made one system like that known as freezing process. A certain freezing process means to store the ice creams we need to maintain certain, otherwise all ice creams will melt down. Okay, likewise one process is there, or one room is there where it is needed to maintain a freezing process. Certain freezing process requires that room temperature be lowered from. Room temperature means what here? Room temperature means at present. What is the room temperature of Hubli Dharwad? You can say 25 degrees Celsius. Usually 25 degrees Celsius is taken as a room temperature in Hubli Dharwad because it is the normal average temperature. In short, room temperature, if you want to give another name for a room temperature, average temperature of that particular city or place is known as a room temperature. Okay, but it is known as a room temperature. It is the average temperature of that area. It requires that room temperature be lowered. From room temperature we need to take the temperature low. Okay, we have to decrease the temperature. Room temperature be lowered from. So room temperature is how much in this case? Room temperature is 40 degrees Celsius. Okay, the room temperature is 40 degrees Celsius and it is to be lowered, means you need to decrease it from 40 degrees Celsius at the rate of 5 degrees Celsius every hour. Rate means what here? Rate means at which speed. Okay, at which speed. Rate also shows a speed per day, how much per day. So from 40 degrees Celsius at the rate of 5 degrees Celsius every day, means every hour. For every hour it is needed to decrease 5 degrees Celsius. 5 degrees Celsius. What will be the room temperature 10 hours after the process begins? The room temperature 10 hours after the process begins. So one freezing process is there. It may be anything where you need to store something for any other purpose. You need to decrease the room temperature from 40 degrees Celsius at the rate of, for every hour you need to decrease how much? 5 degrees Celsius. And what will be the final temperature of that room after 10 hours? After the 10 hours process start ಆದಮೇಲೆ 10 ಗಂಟೆ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಆ ರೂಮ್ದ ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ. Okay, so in solution just we can imagine a room, just for assumption it is, which is at a 40 degrees Celsius. After 1 hour how much decreases? After every 1 hour how much decreases? 5 degrees Celsius decreases, means after 1 hour it will become 35 degrees Celsius. After second hour how much decreases? Again 5 degrees Celsius decreases. So this time the temperature is going to be 30 degrees Celsius. So likewise if the process continues after 10 hours, what will be the temperature of that room? Okay, therefore temperature decrease in 10 hours is how much? Total in 10 hours how much temperature decreases? 10 into 5 degrees Celsius, which is nothing but a total 50 degrees Celsius decreases. In total 10 hours 50 degrees Celsius decreases. Therefore room temperature after 10 hours, therefore room temperature after 10 hours is equal to what? Initial temperature of the room is how much? Initial temperature of the room is 40 degrees Celsius minus how much you have to decrease? 50 degrees Celsius you have to decrease. So 40 minus 50 degree will give you how much? This is positive, this is negative, subtraction. 50 minus 40 will give you 10 and greater number sign, minus 10. So the final room temperature after 10 hours is how much? Minus 10 degrees Celsius. Okay, this is the way how you can solve this note down. Okay. Again, I will see you again with the seventh question. Seventh question is it takes a lot of space, so I need to write it. Once I write it, I will come up with the solution of a seventh question.